Hi, my name is Cheyenne Huffman, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Pepperjam's Store Builder feature. Once you are logged into your publisher account, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Tools, and then on Store Builder. The first step that you will take to create a storefront in your site is choosing an advertiser or advertiser's feed that will display the amount of products available in their program. Once you select either a specific advertiser or advertisers, or you've just selected categories, you can scroll down to where it says Live Demo to see how the results from your selection look. If you want to refine your results to a specific product or group of products, you will want to move down to the Additional Filters section. Here you can simply enter a keyword for the specific product that you are looking for and click the Update button, and it will update your live demo to the products that you search. If you leave the section blank, your live demo will display the available results for the program or programs or categories that you have already chosen in the previous section. The next step is to customize your dynamic storefront with the colors that match your website. As you change the colors, you will see them update in the live demo area. Here you will also have the option to customize your search button or even bypass the feature and use your own search technology. Now that all of the products that you want to be displayed on your dynamic storefront have been selected, all you need to do is copy the code from Store Code section and insert it into your site. The storefront will automatically resize to fit the look and feel of your website. This concludes my demonstration on how to utilize the Pepperjam Store Builder. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to publisher support at pepperjam.com. Thanks for watching.